Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to play with this palette, the Juvia'S Plays the Masquerade mini palette. These eyeshadows are to die for. They are huge, even though that's a mini palette. The normal size palettes, honestly, the eyeshadows are so much bigger. And I've shown you this palette before, but I haven't used it in that video when I did my mint green makeup. And as you can see, half of it has quite crazy colors and half of it is pretty muted, natural. But these are quite dark and they are very, very pigmented. So today I wanted to see if I can get out of it some sort of natural look. You know me and natural, but you know what I mean, not very colorful. And that's why I like this palette, because it's nice to have these pops of colors where you could maybe apply it on your lower lash line, but you also have these ones, but they might be quite hard to work with to try to get like a day look, if you know what I mean, but we will see. I've brought here as well some of Makeup Geek's eyeshadows, because there isn't really transition color here. These are all quite dark, so we will see. I haven't created any look with this palette yet, so let's have a play. So I think the lightest one is this one, which is called Burkina, and I'm not starting with like a transition color. I will just go in with this one and we will see what we get, because I know they are very, very pigmented. Actually, it's not too bad. I'm sure I can buff it out. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. It buffs out quite nicely. They blend really, really well. That's not too crazy. I might go with Ada. That's a bit darker. And just try it in my crease. Oh, that's a beautiful color. That's like a reddish brown. That's really nice. See, maybe we will add some color to a lower lash line. We see when this look where this look takes me. I like it. It looks much redder when I look at my monitor. Remember, everything on a camera is gonna look brighter, and also it depends, you know, what monitor you're watching it on. Is it your mobile phone, your tablet? So, oh yes, that made it quite vivid, but it looks very, very red in a monitor. It's not that red, I promise you. I really don't know how to control the lighting that well to give you like a real color. Now I feel like I want to put this Zobo color. It's like a magenta purple right in my crease. Just let's play with it. That made it a bit more pink. You see, I said, let's try to do a natural look. You could, but I can't help myself. When I'm presented with all this choice of colors, I just want to play like a kid, you know, coloring in. So I can't help myself, but trust me, with these brown colors, you can definitely do more natural look. I shouldn't have started this video. Oh, let's see if I can do natural look, because I'm not capable. Now I want to use some of these on my mobile lid, but I don't know which one I should use. Is it Giza or Giza? Beautiful. And then Daya. That's more golden. That's more pinky champagne. No, I don't like golden. I will put this pinky champagne. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my God, this is so pigmented. Gorgeous. You know how much I love my shimmers. Wow. That is fabulous. I think I go with this color right into the corner. I want to now try the Calabar, which is shimmery purple, and I might put it just a tiny bit here, just because I want to try it. Yeah, that is like a shimmery version of that Zobo. They are so shimmering though. Oh, beautiful. Let's merge these two together. Okay, I need to do my bottom lash line now too. So I'm going to go back to Ada. It was the second one that I put in my crease. They don't have much fallout either, just very tiny bit. I think I might go to Fulani, which is this dark brown, and go over it with that. I want it a bit darker here. And I think I will take something from Makeup Geek to blend it all out. Although this looks fine. I think I will take Creme Brulee. And now I will take Creme Brulee and go under here a bit. I'm going to go back to Giza or Giza. That shimmery champagne color. Just put it here in a corner. I feel like I need to darken up the outer corners. And I'm really tempted to put this Dahlia blue one on the bottom, but I won't today. I will maybe do a bit more colorful look with that palette another time. I'm going back to Zobo again to just put it back in the crease. And now I'm going to take Ada again and darken up right here. Actually, I think that's not dark enough. That is coming off quite reddish. Let's do the Fulani, which is the darkest brown. But that reddish one is so pigmented that this Fulani doesn't really show up so much on the top of that. Oh, I'm so tempted to use those bright ones. There is a gorgeous pink shimmer one, the Bori. But now let's leave it. Do you know what I might use? I might use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Jazzberry that I've bought. So let's have a look. Yeah, that looks very good, although it doesn't make that much impact because it's very similar to these colors that I've used. Yeah, it doesn't make as much impact as black eyeliner would. Now for my mascara, I'm using my new favorite. This is the Marc Jacobs something Noir, Velvet Noir mascara. This is a mini size, but I've just bought full size. Love this mascara. My new favorite. It gives you volume and is very buildable. And another thing that is very important to me in mascaras, it doesn't give you that crusty lashes. They still stay soft. You know, like when you're taking off your makeup and some mascaras make your lashes really stiff and crusty and you feel like when you're washing off your makeup you're going to break off your lashes. This one doesn't, and also washes off pretty good, just like the NARS what's that, Climax. And it's so buildable. Look, I can go over and over and they don't really clump much. It's not too wet either, so because I've got quite long lashes, I don't get that transfer on my eyelids. You know, some mascaras are so wet that as soon as you put it on your lash and open your eyes, it transfers onto your eyelids. Okay, that's eyes finished. I got creases in my hair now. I really love this look. I love the palette. The eyeshadows are amazing. Shall I put that Jazzberry in my inner waterline? Is that gonna make my eyes red? Didn't make much difference. Okay, now lipstick. Always have a problem with matching lipstick. I was thinking to use the new lipstick queen. It was Manic Mauve, I think, or the lipstick queen Rearview Mirror Lip Lacquer in Little Nude Coupe. Yes, that looks nice, that coupe. So which lip liner should I use? This one. I might use the Bite Beauty lip liner in 036. Oh wow, this is so lovely. It's like balm and lip gloss in a stick. And I love the color. It's sort of mauvey, but very nude mauve. I love it. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Oh, I just want to keep putting it on. Love it. Okay, my lovely, so that's the finished look. I love it, love this palette. This is first time I've used it because, you know, when I was doing that mint green makeup, I have the OPV Beauty colorful palette, and I didn't really have, well, I had that one, but I had more option for mint in the other palette, so I never used that one. And I think I'm gonna create a few looks with this palette. Okay, let me just quickly tell you that the sweater I'm wearing is very old. It's from Club Monaco, so you can't get them anymore. And my earrings are those gorgeous porcelain earrings that I got in Spain, so sorry I can't give you a link for those either. But everything else will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and stay fabulous. Bye.